Hey guys, welcome back to Star's channel. Today I'll be doing a highly requested video of me doing some New Year's craft. So I'll be doing a pop-up surprise card. What you need for this is paper, pen, scissors, tape. This is washi tape, but you can use any type as long as it has some design on it. Get your A4 piece of paper and fold it in half horizontally, so like this. You have to make sure they line up correctly or your card won't pop up correctly. Here it is. You're going to open it out now. You still want the crease to be in the middle and it has to be visible. You're going to get one end and you're going to put it down like this. Make sure it stops right here, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Make sure they're both even, like this. And now we're going to do the exact same on the other side. Okay, it should look like this now, and what you want to do is get this flap over here and fold it into the middle like this. So we're folding the half into half, so it's basically a quarter, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Make sure they don't overlap. We're going to go to the end, and we're going to get this triangle bit and fold it inside. It should look like this, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Turn it around. We're going to turn it around like this. It can be this way or this way, but make sure it's vertical. Now we're going to get our tape, and I think I'm going to use the gold because it's really bright and it has this reflect on it. We're going to get our tape. This is why we need our scissors. Be careful with scissors, they're sharp. We're going to do the edges of this. We can trim the edges afterwards, so it's okay if it's a bit unneat. And now we're going to get our scissors and cut it off. You can see the edges are quite unneat, so I'm going to trim them a bit. And I'm just going to go up the other side like this. So here it is. Now we're going to do the other side. On the other side, and it's rainbow. It looks so cool. We're going to write a little message on it, but I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to have pink, blue and yellow, and these are going to be balloons. So the thread, I don't have any black, so I'm going to use this pen, and I'm going to use the black. I'm going to do the pink in the middle because it's my favorite color, and we're going to draw a balloon. Get the pink at the top. You can use different colors, but I just like these colors because they go well together. We're going to go like this. And we're going to draw the bottom like that. So then we can do the lines underneath. Now we're going to colour this in. We're going to colour in the bottom part as well. We're going to go over it a bit. I'm going to do the blue this side, but it's going to be a little bit lower. Now. Here. There. We're going to do another one now. I'm going to do this. And I'm going to make it a little bit wider. Here it is. It looks pretty good. Now we have to do the strings. I kind of want to make like these two going in the middle and this one just down. I'm going to write Happy New Year in whatever colour you like. I'm going to write happy really big in red. I could try and write fancy, but I'm like really bad at fancy writing, so I'll just try my best. And then I'm going to do the year in yellow. I'm going to write a little message down here. So I'm going to do that in purple. Here's my message in purple. It says, wishing every day of 2021 to be filled with happiness. You can Google up New Year messages and some of them will come up. I just copied some of this, but I improved it. So I'm going to add some hearts in red pen around it. I'm going to fold this back and make sure it's half like this. And now I'm going to press it down once you get both of them like equal. We're going to push this down. Get the ends of this and tuck it inside these pouches over here. I recommend putting your hand in and kind of stretching it a bit, but don't rip it. In. Yay! Here it is. I'm going to just pull this flap out because this is going to be the thing you pull. You can decorate the front with tape, but I prefer not to. So I'm going to write Happy New Year here. This can actually be for any occasion. I'm going to write Happy in rainbow letters. I'm going to do these all in capitals to make it stand out. I'm going to do both of the P's in yellow because I like it to match. You can write these in any colour you want. Now we're going to write New up the top and Year down the bottom. I'm going to continue with this pattern. And then I'm going to start the pattern all over again for year. And next to it, I'm going to add an exclamation mark in blue. Here it is. Now I'm going to add like little stars around here, so it's not blank. I'm going to do this in rainbow colours as well. You can do any kind of decoration you want underneath. You can do hearts, you can do stars, or you can do like a picture or a message. And yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to write 2021. A little heart next to it. I love doing hearts. There you go. But the person won't know what to do unless you write like a message telling them to pull this flap. So I'm going to write P-U-L-L to pull this. And I'm going to do this in red so it makes it like kind of stand out. We're going to draw an arrow pointing downwards. Make sure to make it really, really bold. You can decorate it around. And I'm going to leave the back like this so they don't suspect anything. So here it is. Oh, I think it looks really cute. Let's try it out. So we're going to pull this flap. Make sure to hold the top. And then we're going to pull it down. It looks so good. So if you want to put it back in, you're going to open the flap. Put one in. And the other one in. It becomes easier as you practice. And here it is. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So make sure to check out my star one. It's 3D star and it's one of my most popular videos. So make sure to check that out after this video. Goodbye.